जिंदगी का सफ़र. This is what I shoot. The story of man, the fall of man. And these are drug addicts. They work as scavengers to sustain their addiction. It's a sad state. Whatever money they get, morning, sir. The bathers and bandstand. And this is a freshwater outlet. People come to bathe here. The beggars, the poor people. People that have just one pair of clothes, they dry it here, they wash it here. This is the flip side of Mumbai. One side you have all these tall buildings. One side you have all these. On the other side, you have the bathers. Perhaps these are the toilets of the sea. This is life on the rocks. A lot of beggars, homeless, people in the slums not having water come here to bathe. This is the ugliest part of Bandra Bandstand. These are the guys who keep the Bandra Bandstand clean. Now climbing Kane Road. This morning has been filled with adventure, misadventure rather. And I walk up Kane Road. It's a steep climb. And I'm using the mini Moza gimbal, 1,000 times better than the Digitech gimbal, which was dependent on the Gimbal Pro app. I did not like the Gimbal Pro app. I paid extra money to buy this. I gave back the Digitech. First I bought the Digitech from my friend Chirag at Fort. It was really bad. I used it for a day, I gave it back. I gave it back the next day, he gave me a new one. Same Digitech. That was worse. Then he told me the customer care will come and check it out. The customer care did not even bother after messages and phone calls. So finally I told Chirag to check it out himself. He too found it lacking. So Chirag replaced it with this Moza. I paid a little extra, but it's worth it. I'm shot a few videos today. I don't have much knowledge of this Moza thing. My eyesight is bad. I cannot read the manual. So I've been watching the videos of Moza Mini Gimbal for mobile phone. And this morning was crazy. The drunkard that had hassled me a few days back was sitting there. And he started abusing me. He picked up a stone to hit me. So I ran from there. I did not want to get into a fight. I met the security, Mumbai police, outside St. Andrew's Church. I told them about it. So they came in the van and caught him and reprimanded him. But they just warned him, they did not take him inside. He's a drunkard. A few days back he was wearing only a piece of underwear and drinking on the road close to Salman Khan's house and abusing people, shouting. He's unrepentant, and I hope Mumbai police and Commissioner of Police and our Advocate Ashish Shelar look at this matter seriously, because there are a lot of women, old women, senior citizens walking past that place where the art installation is undercover. Opposite Khoja, just next to Khoja Florist. And I'm really happy that the Mumbai police and the people, the police outside the St. Andrew Church came with their van and checked it out. Otherwise, it would have been really difficult for me. I didn't want to get into a fight because of my gimbal. I don't want it to get broken. But I'm not a coward. I cannot keep silent if somebody abuses people. Because today he is abusing me, tomorrow he'll abuse somebody else. And if I remain silent, then that would be against the upbringing and the teachings of my parents and my gurus. I remember at Carter Road, a man was hitting a woman. And everybody watched, and then nobody said anything. They all passed by. I walked up to the guy. I said, "Why are you hitting her?" He says, "Who are you?" I said, "I'm her brother." And I caught him by his collar. I said, "This is not the way to treat a woman." So he finally, भैया मुझे पहचानते हो कि नहीं? These are the people that cotton sorters. They are very good people. इसको क्या बोलते हैं आप? तारा.
ये तमुरा.
तमुरा.
हाँ, ये मेरी फोटो है ना उधर के नीचे.
ये वीडियो है अभी आप वीडियो में आएगा, आपको कल मिलता हूँ मैं.
अच्छा.
So this is, I meet a lot of people. That's so much to shoot in Bandra. But people wonder. They shoot. I don't shoot what they shoot. I only shoot what I was destined to shoot. and I'm climbing up Kane Road. The beauty about Kane Road, it leads to Mount Mary on one side. It has the retreat house. And then the other side, at the end, near cliff, where Mr. Subhash Ghai stays, on the right side is a dargah of Mastan Jafar Baba, Rafai. I had once shot the Urus there. Baba is a very famous Sufi saint at Bandra, Kane Road. Do visit his shrine. And it's a slum area where Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Dalits all live in peace. And this is the beauty of Mumbai, that everybody lives in peace over here. We do not have victimization of Hindus, Muslims or Dalits. We all live happily. Maharashtra, thankfully, is not Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, whatever places where Hindu-Muslim divide is very prominent, or like Haryana. Mumbai, under Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, is a beautiful place. Whatever their ideology, I think Mr. Fadnavis loves Mumbai. And I'm happy that our MLA, Mr. Ashish Shelar, Advocate Ashish Shelar, also loves Bandra the most. I mean, what he has done for Bandra, nobody has done as such. He has really gone out of his way, and he's a Bandra guy. I hope he becomes the Chief Minister one day. Because it's time that Mumbai had a Chief Minister from Mumbai. Somebody who can feel from Mumbai, not from Latur, Baramati and Nagpur. I mean, where will these guys understand the beauty of Mumbai? The pain, passion, pathos of Mumbai. So I have been always, and I told late Mrs. Babaji Shelar, Ashish Shelar's wife, mother, I told his mother, she used to love me like a son. I always told her that every shrine that I go to, I pray for Mr. Ashish Shelar, that he reaches heights, because he's done a lot for us. For us in the sense, for our community, for our people, and Bandarites, and without playing the Hindu-Muslim card. And that is why I like Ashish Shelar ji. His son Omkar, I've seen him grow along with my grandchildren. So, I'd got to Kamakya, I did a little prayer for Ashish Shelar ji's mother. I also prayed for her at various shrines. I prayed for her at Banaras, I prayed for her at the Kumbh Mela, because she has really loved me. When she died, I fainted because I lost a mother again. I have lost my mother, but losing mother of Ashish Shelar ji, was another big blow in my life. So now I've reached the top of Kane Road. I'm tired. And this is a steep climb, really steep climb. I'm 68 years old. Man without emotions is no man at all. Man without feelings is no man at all. The most important thing in humanity is compassion. Without compassion, we are nothing. We should feel the pain of others. We should feel the pain of the homeless, the beggars. And during Ramzan, which will last for a month, and I don't agree, because I feel the spirit of Ramzan should carry on for the next 11 months. Because that would make Ramzan an exemplary month of charity, hope. Not just Taraweeh, Namaz. All these are very, very important things. But helping the poor is as important. I'm happy I do my little bit. I'm not a very rich guy. I have outstandings. I have to pay people who have helped me during the 93 riots. I'd lost everything. Thanks to a state-engineered Hindu-Muslim riot. I don't think Hindu-Muslims would want to live in strife. They would want to stay together. And I'm proud of the fact that I have reached Mount Mary. This is Mount Mary. Good morning from Bandra, and I am with Vivek
Silver.
What's it? What a new
Gimbal.
Gimbal. Not much used to it. So Vivek, just say something about this project.
Well, we're here to leave our mark for humanity,
Yeah.
and basically, I've curated this large canvas which speaks about humanity. It's a combination of sports, art, music, and the overall theme is humanity.
How did you come up with this idea? I mean, did you come up or was it some?
Yeah, so
other-
I'll tell you. So,
Yeah.
so we did the St. Stanislaus High School wall
Yeah, I saw
a few
that.
months
Yeah,
ago,
Yeah.
and the owners of Maywood Studio got in touch with us,
Okay.
and they said, why don't you do something on our wall?
Very good.
So we were lucky to get a sponsor like NBA to partner with us.
Okay. What is
NBA is the National Basketball
Basketball
Association. And what we've done is we've combined sport,
Yeah.
art and music, but the
Okay.
overall theme is humanity.
Yeah.
Right, because we are human first.
Yeah, right.
See?
What do you do normally?
So I run a brand communication studio. It's called Bubble Design,
Okay.
and we're right here in Bandstand, Bandra.
Okay.
And we've done lots of initiatives in the past.
I am very close to Ranjit Dahiya,
Okay, yeah.
Bollywood art,
Ranjit sir.
Bollywood art project. Yeah, I've been documenting him
Alright.
for last maybe 15 years. My granddaughters, they learned photography, shooting that
Nice.
wall, Anarkali and all that. So, say something more, yeah.
Well,
What do you? What is your response? I mean, what response are you?
Oh, we
getting?
got tremendous response.
Yeah.
So, firstly, we are a team of 14 artists who are developing
All
this
from
wall.
Various parts.
Yes, I've curated this along with the artists.
Yeah.
And basically, we have involved the community also, and the community is going to be putting their hands on the wall with a little heart, leaving their mark for humanity. I think that's the most important thing.
Now, there's a friend of mine called Deepak.
Yeah.
Deepak, come and meet you.
Sure.
His name is, he's called Magic Eye. He's a great photographer, and he's a biker.
Okay.
He's been traveling all over India on a bike, but he's an amazing photographer.
Alright.
Yesterday I called him up after, because one thing I learned in photography, you don't be miserly. You share your,
Sure.
even you share a situation with other people, so they can also shoot. And art is something that comes from the heart.
Absolutely.
You know, you can live without culture but not without art. This is what I believe. So I told Deepak, I said you come. So if he comes here, just take care of him.
Sure.
Any message you want to give to the people of Bandra?
Well, we are human first, so in these troubled times that we live in, we need to be human first rather than everything else.
Thanks a lot, Vivek. It was
Thank you.
fantastic talking to you.
Thanks.
And I wish you all the best. And,
Thank you so
I'm
much.
sure this is going to be one of the most classic photo walks for people who want to shoot Bandra.
Absolutely.
Not just Chapel Road or Baroda Road or Demonte Street. I think they should also
Yeah,
come
it's going to be
here.
an iconic wall in the heart of
Thanks
Bandra.
a lot. God bless you. और पोस्टमैन साहब कैसे हो आप? आपके ज़माने में इसका काम होता था, अब तो ख़त्म हो गया ये। आपको पुरानी यादें याद हैं कि नहीं है? आप पहले बात सुनो, जब मैं कुलावा में रहता था तो बच्चे लोग पत्थर डालते थे इसके अंदर, और वो सब बचपना याद आता है।
आजकल आप दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, आजकल दिखाई नहीं दे रहे।
नहीं, मैं आशीष शेलर का बिल्डिंग में रहता हूँ।
हाँ,
और क्या बोल रहे हो? ये सब इसमें भी कचरा आता है क्या? ये सब कचरा है?
हाँ, बचरा ये
So this is all the kachra put into the letter box. This is the red letter box that I've been documenting for quite some time. अभी क्या आप बांद्रा पोस्ट ऑफिस में ही हो ना? ये सब ये नहीं लेके जाओगे? अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है?
सतपाल।
सतपाल। कितने साल से आप पोस्ट ऑफिस में?
अभी 32 साल हो गया।
कितना?
32
32 ईयर्स। आपके बच्चे क्या करते हैं?
बच्चे शादी हो गए।
अच्छा, नहीं कुछ करते हो?
हाँ, लड़का इंजीनियर है।
हाँ, इंजीनियर है। अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छा है।
विदेशी में।
हाँ,
विदेशी में।
अच्छा। और दूसरा बच्चे?
वो लड़की है, उसका क्या?
चलो अच्छा है, बहुत बहुत खुशी है। कम से कम आप पोस्टमैन का काम करके अपने बच्चे को तरक्की दिलाई। इसी को देश की उन्नति कहते हैं। प्रोग्रेस एंड डेवलपमेंट आपसे होगा, गवर्नमेंट नहीं करने वाली है। जय महाराष्ट्र। एक Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Guten Morgen. Bonjour. Domo arigato ne gozaimasu. Konbanwa konnichiwa. This is Feroz Shakir, Sufi monk. My guru is an Aghori, Manikandan ji, Swami Manikandan from Trichy. Been documenting him for last 3 years, 16, 17, 18. And this year I documented him at Kashi and shot the Shamshan Holdi. This year hopefully I will meet him in Kamakya, Assam, my 4th trip. My earlier guru was late Vijay Giri Maharaj. He died tragically in his hometown. It was because of him, his love, his dedication. I shot 4 Kumbh Melas. The 5th Kumbh Mela, through his blessings, I shot through Jaydev Giri and Mahamandleshwar Krishnagiri. Without them it would have not been possible. I don't have the money or the resources. I don't have the money or the resources. So I shoot India. I shoot the beauty of India. There is nothing more I like to shoot. India is the most beautiful country, and I'm proud that my forefathers did not take the train to Pakistan. My grandmothers, they all lived as stayed put in Lucknow, while my relatives all went away to Pakistan across the border. So this is life. And today I am testing the Moza Mini gimbal. I bought the Digitech gimbal from my friend Chirag. The first one was bad. I gave it back to him. The second one was worse. He said he would connect me with the service, Digitech service customer care, but the guy never turned up. So finally I put in a little extra money and I bought this Mini Moza and I'm using it for the first time. So far so good. It is much easier than Digitech. It is quite tough and I think it serves my purpose as a YouTuber, as a person who shoots more videos. I have to get the hang of this instrument, but if I do, it will be something really good. So this is the start of my morning walk. It starts at Bandra Bazaar Road. From there I go to Baroda Road, then I go to Bandstand. From Bandstand I go to Kane Road, and from Kane I go to Mount Mary, and from Mount Mary to Bidlak to wish my friend Mohammad Bhai, and finally I walk back home. Bandra Bazaar is a beautiful place, but totally neglected, totally ignored by the local representatives of our area. For 5 years, nobody bothered. And if you talk to the residents of Bandra Bazaar Road, they have stories to tell. And this is Bandra Bazaar Road. Every morning, there is this group of people that come out of their nooks to have the early morning utara. Early morning utara is the first drink of the day, and we have a local hooch bar here. So this is the beauty and this is not just the beauty but way of life at Bandra Bazaar Road. I've been living here for last I lived at Demonte Street and then I shifted to Bandra Reclamation. I've been living here for last maybe 25 years. I'm originally from Colaba Strand Cinema. No, I don't miss Colaba at all because Bandra serves everything. And now I will show you something that will really shock you. I have shot over 200 videos of this garbage dump at Bandra Bazaar Road. I mean, lots of friends from America, Australia, New Zealand have come to shoot this because they find it intriguing. And I tell them shooting garbage is a way of life. Shooting garbage is shooting art, is shooting fine art. So I will now give you a view of